whenever the sixth lord aspects Lagna, whichever sixth lord, the native will suffer from a disease, especially when it's a retrograde. Remember what I taught you about retrogrades? It takes a lot of efforts in that house now. Sixth lord Jupiter aspects Lagna, native gets a hepatitis problem, liver issues. Sixth lord Jupiter aspects Lagna, the native cannot eat 3 times a day. Reason being because he cannot digest it. There will be acidity issues.
Can I ask something?
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, I have Jupiter retrograde in the first house and I'm a Cancer ascendant. I have indigestion. Does it apply to that as well?
Yes. Sixth lord aspect Lagna in the Lagna.
Yeah.
Indigestion issues, liver issues.
Yeah, so I always get indigestion.
Yeah. I will tell you the remedy as well.
So
Me
will
too,
it
sir.
also give diabetes?
What?
Will it also give diabetes?
Who is a karka for diabetes? I give the liver for digestion, Jupiter for digestion, because Jupiter is a karka for liver. Right? That's why these people, it's retrograde, the person will not be fat. When that particular planet is in direct motion, the person will be fat. It's a karka of fat. And these people will have fat on the liver. Very clear prediction. Venus aspecting Lagna, the problem of kidneys and diabetes. Why? Because Venus is a karka for kidneys and diabetes. Saturn aspects Lagna, the problem, sixth lord Saturn aspects Lagna, always remember sixth lord is your disease. Sixth lord Saturn aspects Lagna or in the Lagna, the native will have arthritis or bones related problem. Saturn Rahu is enlargement, native will have bones enlargement issues. Whichever sign there is, like Leo Lagna, Saturn Rahu in Lagna, the native will have spine, backbone will increase, spine will increase. Saturn Ketu, there will be deficiency. Mars Ketu, blood deficiencies. Mars Rahu, excessive in the blood pressures. Lagan Lord in sixth house, same. Theme of life becomes same. Saturn Rahu, spine problem, I know this. Spine problem. One line I'm telling you the combinations you will find in BPHS. Reason why I'm telling you these random things, because this is not because I remember it. I never remember all these things. The thing is, I've remembered what Saturn is. Saturn is bones. Sixth house is disease. Bones and disease. Is going to happen. Rahu is going to increase it. So some bone has to increase now. Ketu is going to break it. Saturn Ketu.
Sir, give remedy for.
I will give you the remedy, but let me test it. Let me test the knowledge, right? Before even I start the lectures. This is just the the preview, or we call before the actual act, the clown comes in.
Yeah.
Just to set up the mood.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Venus, Taurus ascendant. It's a sixth lord and 11th lord. Will that native will have disease? Venus sitting in Lagan for Taurus ascendant. Will that native have a disease? Or Taurus or Libra ascendant. Now, Taurus is your 8th lord. Venus sitting in Lagna. What will be the problem of the native? Ava, why? What will happen to the 6th house?
Problem of eyes.
Predictive organs issue.
Okay. Who was saying? Come back.
Issue. Sir, it's me. Is it reproductive organs having effect?
Okay, I'll come to it. 6th lord Venus in Lagna. Native will have issues related to kidneys and eating. Even when it sits in its own house, still it will give you problems. Libra ascendant, Venus in Lagna, native will have very bad sexual life or issues in the sexual life, problem with the rectum, and very huge problems with the in-laws. You can check all the Libra ascendant charts with Venus in Lagna.
Venus in Taurus, sir?
in the Libra ascendant.
Yeah, for Libra ascendant, if
Libra ascendant, Venus in Lagna, native will have problems by in-laws. Why? Because now the 8th lord is sitting in the Lagna. Now you ask the question, sir.
yeah, the question is for Libra ascendant, if Venus is sitting in Taurus, again 8th position, right?
Yes, sir. Also
again,
the same
again problem with the
problem with the in-laws, and also the health issues will be severe now.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Mars, Aries Lagna, Mars in Lagna. Look at people who have Aries ascendant, Mars in Lagna. Their face will tell you they have Mars in Lagna. You don't have to even see the chart. They will have blood red marks throughout the face. Severe issues with inheritance, in-laws, anger issues. Whole life turns upside down. Why? Because 8th house is the house of suddenness. 8th house is house of accidents. So when you have all these issues of 6th house and 8th house, what is the remedy? A remedy regarding the health issues. Whenever 6th house is animals, whenever the 6th lord aspects Lagna, take the animal of that planet and donate to him. Such as Saturn, take bull and you offer prayers to Nandi Maharaj. Or if it's a devil remedy, tell him go to a bull and offer him food for 7 to 10 days regular. You will have, your arthritis will calm down. When it's Venus, then it's cow. Jupiter, elephant, or any big animal. When it's when it's Rahu and Ketu, it's cats and dogs. So you take the animal of the 6th house, feed him regularly, your disease will calm down. It's a very wonderful remedy for the 6th house matters. Like in Lal Kitab, there is a remedy: feed sugar cane to elephants. You can do that, feed sugar cane to elephants. Mars, what's the animal of Mars, Divyajyoti? Who is the animal of Mars?
Horse.
A
horse?
Mars, it's a male goat. Aries.
Yeah,
Come on, it's written everywhere. I mean, a random side you pick up, you will find the animal of Mars. Okay. Moon water creatures. So all these remedies, I mean, this is one part of remedy, right? There are several remedies you can make out of it. But the reason why I'm telling you is, until and unless you do not know what the combinations are, you can never guess the events right? So let us start the game. All I have to do is I will show you the charts. Please look in which circuit gets completed and predict. In total, there are 7 charts which we will play with. I will keep explaining after every sequence, and also we'll use the D10 today.
Sir, sorry to interrupt, sir. So last time you have given a chart, sir, of Taurus ascendant where Mars was in the Lagna. So I have made some predictions as I just want to confirm, sir.
These predictions will confirm the predictions which the homework which we'll give today.
Okay,
Don't
sir.
worry.
Okay, sir.